Hello, Carolyn here. Welcome. Sometimes life asks a lot of us. Unexpected challenges, uncertainty, difficult emotions, or simply the accumulation of many small stresses. In those moments, we may not be able to change our circumstances immediately, but we can return to the breath. And in returning to the breath, we reconnect with our own resilience. Let's begin. Allow yourself to settle comfortably, relaxing the shoulders, softening the jaw, allowing the body to be supported. Take a slow breath in and a gentle breath out. Again, breathing in and breathing out. Now we will breathe together. In for 4, 2, 3, 4. Out for 4, 2, 3, 4. Again, in, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. Now continue in your own rhythm. As you breathe in, imagine gathering steadiness, gently, naturally, simply allowing yourself to settle into this moment. And as you breathe out, allowing tension to soften. Breathing in steadiness, breathing out release. Life will continue to change. Remember, you can return. Return to this breath. Return to this moment. Return to yourself. Again and again. Take one final breath in, feeling grounded, present, and calm. And a gentle breath out, carrying this quiet resilience with you into the rest of your day. Thank you for practicing with me. Until next time, may peace be with you.